The cold is just seeping up through the kayak and the paddle. Words cannot describe how badly I do not want to get wet. Looks like we got some rapids. Scraped my butt on the rocks, but seem to be okay. Look at all this ice. Dang, this is a lot of ice. It's really good I'm getting out today. If I waited one more night, I probably couldn't make it. Whew. Man, if this slush was any thicker, I wouldn't be able to maneuver in it. There we go. Got some open water. It's crazy. I look at the ice and it feels like I'm not moving at all. Then I look at the shoreline and I'm like, oh, I'm ripping. One nice thing about the ice is it's keeping me moving downstream even with this wind in my face.